Greetings to all. Founded last June 8, 2013. Today, we celebrate 13 years of Hearts and 13 years of Hope. I congratulate the Hearts of Hope Cancer Support Group for showing up, holding hands, and reminding every fighter that they don't walk alone. Founded by two bodies, Lina Macaranas and Ana Veronica Solano. From the first support circle to today, we have turned fear into strength, tears into courage, and strangers into family. Every survivor you've guided, every caregiver you've comforted, every life you have touched, that's your legacy. Cancer changes lives, but so does community. And for 13 years, the Hearts of Hope Cancer Support Group has been that community. Here is to the fighters, the survivors, the caregivers, volunteers, and angels who made this group a light in the darkest days. May the next chapter bring more hope, more healing, and more reasons to celebrate. In recognition of 13 years of dedicated service to cancer patients, survivors, and their families, your compassion has built a sanctuary of support, your advocacy has given voice to the voiceless, and your hope has inspired strength in the most journeys. May the next decade bring continuous growth, healings, and the same unwavering spirit that makes the Hearts of Society Cancer Support Group a beacon of light. According to Helen Keller, alone we can do little, but together we can do so much. On behalf of District Governor Reginaldo Alberto Nolido and the entire Rotary District 3830 and family, we thank every volunteer, every medical partner, donors, and members of NGOs who built Hearts of Hope into a beacon of light. Happy 13th anniversary, Hearts of Hope Society Cancer Support Group. May the next 13 years of your advocacy be a light to everyone, more hope and more reasons to say, this is Rotary, this is service above self. I am Julie Rabe, past president of the Rotary Club of Las Piñas East, representing our UGP president, Virginia Reyes Carrion. Congratulations and thank you for being Rotary's hearts. Here's to many more years of people of action uniting for good. Mabuhay!